There's something like 100,000 of these embryos that are discarded each year in the country. So it's not like we're creating new embryos. It's a doctrine of double effect. If a couple is intending to have a child, they're desperate to have a child, and they go to in vitro fertilization, and they have a child. That was their intention. This is a byproduct of that intention, and there's some potential greater good that can be achieved in the use of those cells.
With stem cell research, we would want to cure cancer, but we don't know how to do that quite yet. And if we really have some people who are working on taking tissue and turning it into the type of tissue we need, such as spinal cords, that would be, show us the data. We're willing to be helpful.
Yesterday I spoke to a group of people with MS, with chronic progressive MS. They're going downhill. To ask them to wait 5 years is unconscionable. Basically what we're doing is we want to give the American people a gift of time. And that time is now.
We have Alzheimer's, we have Parkinson's. Who else is on the front lines?
Diabetes.
Diabetes.
Big population.
Huge.
Right?
Yeah.
You're talking about people who are going progressively blind.
Yes.
You're talking about people who have autoimmune diseases of all sorts. You're talking about, stem cells will have an impact on every major disease that we have.
Yes.
And a coalition of all the presidents of all the major universities sent a letter to President Bush saying, look, this is the most important development in science in the last 100 years.
Yes.
But to say, we're going to not put money into adult stem cells, we're going to prevent cloning, we're going to restrict the number of embryonic stem cell lines that could be utilized, that is a sentence of imprisonment for the people who are, maybe death, for thousands, millions of people in the United States who are now currently suffering from diseases that will benefit from stem cells.